Imagine this for a second. You just worked a 9 to 5. You are exhausted and tired. The only thing you want to do now is to finally visit your favorite restaurant and take the first bite of your favorite food. Now imagine, on the other hand, you just studied for one whole week of exams and finally hit the highest score. What do both of these things have in common? Simple. They both make you feel great, because you finally feel as though you have achieved something, as though you deserve to have it. Sadly, for 99% of the men around you, this same feeling pulses through their body when they get back home, only to open their laptop to visit a sexual website to beat their meat and watch porn. They spend the whole day only looking forward to this very moment when they can close the door and get a momentary sniff of dopamine. All these are rewards. But the thing about doing PMO, which makes it stand out from others, is that you don't really have to work for it. It is virtually effortless to obtain. Unlike a job promotion, or going to your favorite restaurant, or getting high marks in an exam, there's absolutely no hard work that you must put in before you can reap the reward. Let's put things into perspective. To achieve the satiety you get from good grades, you have to go to classes. You have to take decent notes, and then sit down to study. It requires a significant amount of time and effort. Comparatively, watching porn is easier. What do you need to do? Simply open up your laptop and find your desired video with a mouse click. And after multiple mouse clicks, you see the video that you like. By doing this, you instantaneously reward yourself with pleasure. But here's the one thing that sets it apart from all else. It triggers one of the most potent and pleasurable rewards that occurs naturally in your body: sexual climax. It's the only achievable reward by meeting a potential mate, presenting yourself as attractive, and eventually growing the balls to perform sex. Nowadays, it's available at the click of a button. If you could get the top mark on any test by just clicking a button, would you ever take out time to study? If you could lose weight or gain muscle with a button, would you ever go to the gym? Would you ever adjust your diet? Or if you could get a partner with the click of a button, would you go out and socialize? Would you try to make yourself more attractive? Would you even approach members of the opposite sex? The answer is obvious. Absolutely no. I want you to just think about what you have heard for a few seconds. Pause the video if you want, and reflect hard on all the things you are giving up on by choosing to click a button. And that's why people who beat their meat and watch porn religiously report lower motivation and energy levels. It's because sexual climax is already within an arm's reach, all at the click of a button. By practicing seed retention, you offset the probability of success in your own favor. Life itself begins to reward you. How? You might have heard people say, "Oh, seed retention is all a bunch of myth and pseudoscience." Do you think those people have ever made past 90 days? What about 30 days? No. After stopping PMO for over 30 days, men report benefits like increased levels of motivation, increased energy levels, and increased confidence in social circles. Why? Because your own self-esteem has risen first of all. And above all, you are not giving up on the things you heard before by continuously clicking a button. Seed retention is like a discipline that will carry on into other parts of your life. Start by denying yourself of sexual urges. Slowly, you will find that discipline becomes a part of your business, your social life, your aura, and your overall masculinity. It will be much easier to say to your body no. You will only earn this tasty, beautiful, and pleasurable reward if you step out and earn it. And as with all things, your body will adjust. It will learn to submit. This may not happen in a month or even 2 months, because your body and mind are all too used to your past habits. But over time, they will start to rewire. Most men report things begin to ease off after 90 days if they were heavily addicted. So stop rewarding yourself today for doing absolutely nothing. It's not just about watching porn. Giving yourself other rewards for doing absolutely nothing also decline your overall lifestyle. These include rewarding yourself with sugary foods, video games, drugs, and even alcohol. All these things are all what you would call instant gratification. They're easy to obtain, providing short bursts of pleasure. This is why people who retain their seed will always find themselves successful, not only because they don't watch porn or beat their meat. It's because they've learned how to work hard to achieve rewards. They've rewired their body and mind to submit to their values, not the other way around. I want you to memorize this quote by heart. It goes like this: rule the mind, or it will rule you. Now say it with me again. My mind doesn't rule me, but I rule my mind. Put this quote up soon on your bedroom wall, so it gets engraved in your subconscious. Now that your body and mind have fully submitted themselves to you, you will find it easier to work hard to succeed, to exercise to become healthy, to study to feel smarter, and to meditate to feel happier. Remember, brothers, by retaining your seed, you are not forcing yourself to give up pleasure. Instead, you are driving yourself to succeed in life and feel what real pleasure looks like. You are trading fake pleasure for real one. Have you ever seen a dog who is given excessive treats? They become lazy, unmotivated, and dependent on the source. That is not you. You are not a dog. You are built for greatness. By the way, don't forget to show some love. Tap that subscribe button and hit like for the algorithm. To see the next best way to level up as a man, watch these videos here.